Hello guys, welcome to Raquel's Life Adventure. Guys, today or tonight I'm going to show you what I have bought during the Boxing Day. I bought something guys and it's 75% off, so I just want to see, and I'm just very curious how what this product looks like and how if it really works, or is it worth the money, because it's only 75% off. So they were $60, but then on the Boxing Day it was 75% off. So it's now I only paid this one for $15 guys. So I was just curious. So this is what it says guys. This is what I bought guys. It's a classic train. See, it says it's a classic train. It says there's a music on it and there's a light on it. See, music, light, and it's a battery, and there's a smoke also that will come out. So it's a Christmas train guys, and look how it is, the box is. So it's a classic train. It's a battery operated Orbit series. So we will see guys how these things work, and is it worth having it. So we will try to see. So it looks so good, right? So we'll see how these look like when we open this box. Okay, so samahan niyo ako guys, or join me to open this box, and we will try to see how these things work. Okay, so let's open it guys. Okay, so we will see how these things works. Maybe I'll put this paper. So these are the things guys. We will try to assemble these. I think first we'll assemble these things. I'll just So guys, na-assemble na natin guys. It takes me so long to assemble it. I'm having hard time on it, and I hope it's worth the money. So I'll show you again guys. So this is how this classic train looks like. A Christmas classic train. So I don't know. It's really worth the money, but it's only $15. They were $60. So if I am the customer and I pay the regular price, I don't know if it's worth. So we will try and see guys. Okay, so we will try. So everything is being assembled. So as you can see, the rail is already assembled there. So then this one here, so we just need to turn this on. So guys, I tried to let it run on the rail, on the train rail. It will not work. So so it just broke down. So the rail is not work. But we will see. We'll let it run it without the train rail. How this looks like. So guys, we will play it again guys. So there's a power here. The power button here, this one near the switch. So we'll just bring that up. So if I will rate this thing, guys, if I'll buy this one for regular price at $60, for me this thing is not worth the money for $60. Number one is that the rail, the train rail isn't working. Like, it's just a it's a plastic one, so it just break down right away, and the tire of the train won't even follow the rail. So that's why I just let it run on the floor without the rail. But if you ask me if I'm going to rate this one into the 75% of money that I paid for this one, $15, I would say yeah, it's worth for $15. But for $60, I don't think so. But it's nice if you have a kid. The kid will have lots of fun on this one. Yeah, it's worth $15, but not $60. I'm sorry, but I'm just honest. Yeah, it's just nice like for decorations, but for letting it run on the rail itself, because look at the rail, it's broken now. It's not even working. You can connect it again, but the train, it will not work on that. But yeah, it's worth $15, or maybe I would say $30, half price. But for $60, no, it's not worth. But just for the toys itself, maybe yes. Like, but for running it with the battery, and it's nice to see that it's really running good, and then there's really like the sounds of the train, and there's also a smoke coming out from this, so it's nice to see it. As you can see, I let this one exposed. So you can really hear the noise of the train, or the sounds of the train. And you can see, I don't know if you notice, there is smoke coming into it. So guys, so that's enough now. It's a nice one, but for paying $60, it's not worth it. But thank you for watching, guys. Raquel's Life Adventure. Like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so that and then don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post our new vlog. So see you on my next vlog, and thank you for watching again. Raquel's Life Adventure. Bye bye, and love you all.